Hello, welcome back to Art of Awakening. My name is Ona and thanks for watching. With all the crazy energies that have been happening, swirling around lately, I really hope that you've had a chance to find a little bit of peace and stillness within all the commotion. But if you haven't, hang tight because I'm going to do a little something different today that I think you're going to enjoy. Before I do, I just want to get a little bit of housekeeping out of the way. I just, first of all, want to thank all of my clients who've signed up for sessions. I really appreciate that, and it's been really fun working with all of you. And also my Spirit Animal Awareness deck. I just got word from the publisher that the new decks have been printed. They're ready to ship, and I should be receiving those. I'm hoping, crossing fingers, next week sometime. So I'm still extending the offer for a mini reading. If you pre-order a deck, and that offer is still good. So if you're interested in that, click the link below. And now I'd just like to bring you to someplace beautiful. This is the Rock River Falls near Chatham, Michigan. It was my first time here, and I wanted to share it with you because there is just something so soothing about a waterfall. And while I was there, the waterfall just told me a lesson, and it showed me that even with all the water so noisy and so rushing, just cascading over the rock itself is still, it's just this beautiful contrast between stillness and motion. And they're showing me just the peace that's available at all times underneath all the motion. And it also spoke to me of beauty and how powerful it is, how important it is to seek beauty in life. That beauty has an energy to it that we can take note of and carry with us wherever we are. If you visit a waterfall or gaze at a flower or anything else that's beautiful, it creates an impression in your memory, in your own energy, that you can draw on. Like a little energetic battery that you can draw on, that you can store in your mind. And when things get challenging, you can go to your store of beautiful moments and draw energy from those. Take note of that. Soak it in. Feel what that feels like. Imagine being in the water and having the spray on your face or the water flowing across your feet, or breathing in the air, the scent of the water. Feel what that feels like in your cells. Imagine the energy of the waterfall flowing through your field. Clearing and cleansing. Washing away all the tension, all the worry.